In this video, I am going to show you how to install NetBeans. Open the browser and search NetBeans. Once you search, you can able to see netbeans.apache.org. Select that website. Here you can download NetBeans. Press the download button. Select the appropriate NetBeans version which you are going to install. I'm just going to install on Windows 11 64-bit. Select the 64-bit edition. Now you can able to see two options. One is HTTP and the backup site. Either anyone you can select. I'm just selecting the first one. NetBeans started to download. Before installing NetBeans, we have to install Java. I'm just downloading the Java. Open the browser and type Java JDK. Download the appropriate version for the Windows. I'm just using 64-bit, so I selected the 64-bit version. Now Java started to download. I am opening the Java file. It started to install. The next button we are using for installing the Java. We are using the default location. Once finish the installation, close the installation window. I'm starting NetBeans installation. Confirm the installation. Here we need to install these all packages. I'm just clicking next, accepting the license agreement and press next. If you want to change the locations, you can change, but here I am using the same location and press next. In this process, if is there any update is available, we can use the check update options. So I'm just selecting the check update option and press install. The installation is started. I'm just doing the fast forwarding. Installation has been finished. Press the finish button. Now you can open the NetBeans either from the start menu or desktop icon. I just started the NetBeans from start menu. Now the NetBeans installation is finished. Here we need to install some plugins and activate some features. For that one, I'm just pressing my NetBeans and press install plugins. Select all plugin and press install button. If any terms and condition is coming, just accept, then press the continue button. The installation is finished. Now we have to press the finish button. Once after installation, we have to select all installed features and need to press activate. Select all features and then press activate. It will again ask an activate button. Press the activate. Now we have completed the plugin installation as well as feature activation. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please press the like button, share and subscribe. Thank you.